Camo, are you sure this is a good idea? No. But who cares? I'm getting paid $5 for it anyway. Of course, I mean, you're the only one retarded enough to even do anything for $5. That's not true. I wouldn't cut my balls off for $5. Well, men aren't just gonna cut their balls off for $5 or any amount of money. Well, that's not really true. I mean, there are people who pay to do it. Oh yeah. Just light the goddamn fuse. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Wakey, wakey. Here's your $5. These are pesos. I never said I would give you US dollars. You motherfucker. Da 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 da.